Do you want to know how you can log into your Fisdom Mutual Fund account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Fisdom Mutual Fund account. First of all, go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Fisdom Mutual Fund login. Click on the first link, which is the official page of Fisdom, and you can see a login portal will pop up on your screen. You have two options to log in. You can use your mobile number or your email address. To use your mobile number, go ahead and write down your mobile number, and you can click I agree to receive important investment on WhatsApp if you wish to, and then click continue. After that, write down your password. Click login and then you can log into your Fisdom Mutual Fund account via your mobile number. To use your email address, go ahead and click on email, write down your email address in this box, click continue, and if you have an account, the password option will show up or an OTP code will be sent to your email. Check your Google account or your email address, write down the OTP code and click continue. This way, you can log into your Fisdom Mutual Fund account using your email address as well. I hope this video about how you can log into your Fisdom Mutual Fund account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.